In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access student discounts on Deliveroo using Brave software. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Deliveroo website. This is fairly straightforward. Simply type deliveroo.co.uk into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice in the top right corner some options for logging in or signing up. If you're new here, you'll want to create an account. But if you've used Deliveroo before, just go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. It's always a good idea to check that you're logged in so you can access all the available features, including those discounts. Next, let's figure out what discounts are available for students. Open a new tab and use Brave Search to look for the current Deliveroo student discounts for 2025. Simply type Deliveroo Student Discounts 2025 into the search bar. Brave is great because it's a privacy-focused search engine that will ensure your search experience is safe and secure. You'll see a list of various web pages that offer information on student discounts. Scan through these results to find the most relevant ones for your needs. Don't hesitate to explore different links until you find a credible source that details the offers available specifically for students. Now, as you scroll through, you may find several options, but for this guide, let's focus on Totem. Totem is a student discount service that helps you find and apply discounts with ease. So, go ahead and click on the link that takes you to totem.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to register or join now. This registration process is vital as it often unlocks specific student deals that aren't accessible otherwise. Follow the prompts to sign up, providing any necessary details they ask for. They may ask for identification to confirm your student status. After successfully registering on Totem, you will gain access to their exclusive student offers. Make your way to their student offers section on the website. Here, you should see Deliveroo prominently listed, along with the specific discounts being offered. This section is where you'll find all the compelling deals specifically designed for you as a student. From here, you can take advantage of these deals and enjoy ordering your meals at a reduced price. And that wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you can easily access and utilize student discounts on Deliveroo. Make sure to check back regularly for updated offers, as these discounts can provide significant savings over time. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and clear. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Happy dining!